Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Good morning. It's day 4, or day 5. Here on the Killing Switch, 7 Days to Die gameplay. I'd like y'all to consider pressing that like and subscribe button and sharing my content on your channel to help me build it. Just consider it. You don't have to do it. Yes, you do. Never mind. You have to do it. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do it. Well, in any case, here's my plan. During the few minutes I had between last night and where I ended and today, I ran over there and filled up 50 water bottles that are coming out, and I got down there and punched some corn, which we need to put away. Put away the corn. All right, there. Okay. I've got the cement, right, and we are still fatigued, by the way. We need those vitamins down by the trader, so we got to go to the trader, pick up what's left in the box, bring it back up here after I take those vitamins, put them in here. Then I'm going to go back and finish looting that house. Then I'm going to go into Dyersville and try to locate a cement mixer. So you can see our stamina is just going down like crazy. Looks like we got a big guy up there, so let's do this. He's the angry tourist. Oh, yeah. One shot. Man, we are moving so slow. No, we didn't have to have some of the stuff on us to go do this little trip. Should have thought about that. Should have emptied off some things. I still want to loot this place. That is a wolf. Let's see how long it takes before he notices us. We're being sneaky. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, let's see, do we have the vitamins in here? Oh, that's right, we already took them. Dang it, I can't believe we already took them. I forgot about that. And we can leave that beer here for now. No, that could stay here. Take that. You know, honestly, the rest of this can stay here for a bit. Yeah. We're not going to need much of this. Actually, that wouldn't be a bad to bring. Or that. Or that. Okay, one last look. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's get all this stuff out of our inventory. And I'm going to go ahead and take the cement back out. We're going to go loot that house first and bring back that loot. We're also going to put this under our helmet. This here, more of that, that. I'm going to put these over here. Did I have medical items separately? I did not. Just had trader stuff. Okay. More medical items. Stuff for smelting. We'll put that in there later. Medical item. Let's get rid of that. Now, do we need to take any of this with us? not to go there. Yeah, we can do without that for now. We can do without that for now. Literally, I want to go bare bones. This is pretty bare bones. Alright, so let's put our light on our helmet. Alright, call it good. Let's go finish looting over there. I'm hungry. That was a very handy find. We can now make first aid bandages. I don't need that. Trying to keep everything as clean as possible. Got a little cobblestone up here. We're also keeping an eye out for an airdrop today. Alright, let's see what we got. Useful? Yeah. That's got some pretty serious melee damage and power attack damage. But yeah. Still gonna stick with the club for now because of, especially right now, my character has depleted all of his resources. I mean, he's very tired. He's physically exhausted for the next hour and 21 minutes. We need iron and steel tools. We're not going to get steel tools yet, but iron maybe. Alright. Actually, where is it? There we are. Let's get rid of this. We're just going to scrap this. Scrap. The parts for it'll sell more than it will. For more than it will. I'm going to put the iron crossbow bolts down. Scrapping the shovel. We already got a level 2. We're scrapping that. I should have just scrapped them all before. This isn't going to sell for much. We're going to hold on to it. Oh. I'm not sure that those will sell for much if I repair them. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's do this. Keeping the iron arrows. That's ammo that we can use. Do we have... Yeah, repair kits are right there. Stuff for scrapping's right there. What am I doing with that? Boom, boom, boom. Alright. I'm going to sell those shades. I'm not going to use the shades. Paper. Yeah, stacks of paper there. Scrap the chair. I'm going to put tools, extra tools down there. That's a wire tool. We're definitely going to be using that. These can go. That can go. This can go. No, we'll leave those here. That here. We just need rocks for repairs. I'm going to get rid of half of that. I think this is our bare bones. Did we go down to the trader and not return that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. That could wait. Let's go. We're going to go to the Dyersville. There's a construction site there. And we're going to hit that construction site for all the materials. And hopefully we're going to get some cement going. There's a pile of sand there. And there's some rocks that we can bust up. Here we are at the construction site. Please work. Destroyed. Give me... Use. Alright, let's see what it takes. Cement mixer. An engine, electrical or mechanical parts, spring, and forged iron. That's going to be some hard stuff to get. Alright, so no luck there. Let's go ahead and dig this up. Airdrop. Come on. There it is. That's back where our other airdrop was. Yeah, we'll go pick that up here in a minute. But let's do this first. Oh yeah, leveled up. real quick. I want to look at something real quick. No salvage. Right. Okay. Say anything about engines. Where do I gotta be to get an engine? Good question, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm done with that. Set out this way. Go down in here. Actually, yeah, we're not gonna wrench that yet. So this place has a bear in it, and we're not interested in dealing with a bear. But we can mine all this stuff without bothering the bear. The bear's back there. We're right here. We're gonna keep it like that. There's not really a chest or anything back there. I think there's a cardboard box. It's not worth it unless I can kill the bear, which is going to be really, really difficult, and I'm not really interested in that level of difficulty. Alright, we're going to have to fight him in a second, but let us get rid of some stuff real quick. Boom. Not that. 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 And that. This is building supplies. And you know what? We're going to put concrete across this area right here, because we're getting a lot of it. I want to go to the trader. I want to make it there at a decent time. Alright, I hear ya. I'm sorry. Is that better? Okay, Oh. I thought I got you on the first try, but I was wrong. Okay. This, that, there, that. I'm gonna put this over here. That's a really nice piece of equipment that we got there. Medical. Is it there? Oh, it was there. Alright, $13. Alright, where's the rest of this stuff? I'm gonna sell all this. I think this I'm just gonna scrap, throw over here. That's a level 4. I think that'll repair to something decent. So we're gonna repair those. Alright. Ooh. We forgot the most important thing. Where are they? Our dukes. Alright. Let's go. I want to buy some food.
Here's your pay for a job well done.
Let's see, what do we get? 330 dukes, some ammo or Night Stalker 3. Bladed weapons do 10% more damage at night. I'm more interested in getting some magnum ammo, so we're going to complete that. May I see your inventory? Did she have a motor? Am I dreaming? She did not have a motor. Wait, what was that? Art of mining. Oh, diamond tools. Don't need it. That's something I might get later. It was Night Stalker. Never encumbered at night. That's worth it. I'm buying that. I'll be reading that momentarily. Alright, let's sell this. Let's sell this. That was not worth the repair. Neither was that. Alright. Most expensive thing I had there was a pair of sunglasses. Or 2 pairs of sunglasses. Alright. Back up to a reasonable amount. Okay, was there anything that I need? I was talking about getting the weighted head mod. They have a level 3 pistol. What? Oh, this is day 6 or day 5? I have a restock day on 7. So, I don't know. I don't remember seeing the pistol. Okay. That's coyotes. Well, it doesn't help. Could get some gunpowder and make some more blunderbuss ammo, but we've been finding it fairly steady. Iron boots. I don't need that. That's stuff I sold. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Alrighty then.
Stay safe out there.
You stay safe too. I know what I am going to do. I'm buying all the food. Buy. I'm tired of buy. Oh, eye candy. Yeah, that's good stuff right there. Okay, that's the food. Blockbusters. Definitely buying that. That gives you a 20% bonus on mining. Alright, anything in here I want to bring up? Not particularly. We'll take this. I don't see us making coffee anytime soon, or smelting anything anytime soon. No, I don't think I need any of that. Whoa. Pipes for repairing the blunderbuss. The blunderbuss? Can you tell I'm just slightly dyslexic? Feel bad about it too. Alright, I am not as worried about making it back as I have been to the base before night. Just simply because we have a headlamp and we're fully kitted out in armor. It may not be the best armor, but we have some armor on. And as long as we're not dealing with more than, you know, a couple of zombies at once, like 3 would be too many, but if we're dealing with 1 or 2, then that's going to be just fine. We're going to be okay. Because we've got 2 blunderbusses, and, you know, we've got our level 3 club. You know, we're going to do alright. We're not going to raid, or we're not going to loot any place at night, because that's going to require us to fight zombies. But we can get out and do some minor things, like cut down trees and mine. In fact, there's a rock up there with my name on it. I'm going to go and mine it. We might just hit the working of tools. Alright. Slow and careful. Alright. This little area right here is where they can get up. So if I take some frames and just block it with frames like this, then they can't get up. Alright? And it's still bright enough that I don't have to worry about my headlamp. This is actually a really bright evening. Just so that for future reference we know there's a coal node right in front of us. There's also one right there. So we're going to have access to lots of coal nearby. I say that 90% of the time where you find coal, you're going to find other things. Now that we've woken up the neighborhood, and he got a good smack in on me too. There's an angry tourist right over there. We're going to leave him alone. That was terrible. It's time to leave. There was definitely wolves, or a wolf. We don't need none of that. Besides, it's tomorrow already, and it's time for this episode to be over. So, I'm gonna look at our skill points real quick and decide where to put them, which I think there's one. Let's see. One. Alright, I was thinking about salvage operations because we really need that, but we keep starving. So part of me wants to put it in Iron Gut. Iron Gut, it reduces food and water loss from exertion by 5%. Hold your breath for 84 seconds. Chance of dysentery is reduced to 1%, or reduced by 1%, and buffs from consumables last 10% longer. You know, just one point into this is not going to do it for me. I also need Sexual Tyrannosaurus because I'm getting tired so fast. You know, I could do more. I could definitely do more with this. So we're going to put more points into this. I've got enough right there that I can get this one, and I believe I can't get this one yet, but I'll be that much closer to it. And we'll probably have that tomorrow, and then we're going to go for salvage operations because we really need a motor. So I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good one. Please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel and sharing my content on your social media. Y'all have a good one.